So if you have this kind of problem, all you have to do is find the LCM of 4 and 2 and multiply the whole equation of that LCM, which is 4. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then multiply to the quantity b plus 1. And then plus 4 divided by 4 is 1. And multiply to 3b plus 1. And less than or equal to 4 divided by 4 is 1. So that is 3b minus 1 when you multiply it by 1. Then plus 4 divided by 4 is 4 times 2 is 8. And after that, using the distribution, 2 times b is 2b, plus 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 times 3b is 3b, 1 times 1 is 1. Less than or equal to, so copy 3b and then simplify minus 1 plus 8, that is positive 7 or plus 7. And after that, combine 2b plus 3b. So same term, combine them, which is 5b plus 2 plus 1 is 3. Then less than or equal to 3b plus 7. Then move 3b to the left side of the inequality, and that will become 5b minus 3b. Then move positive 3 to the right side of inequality, it will become 7 minus 3. Then 5b minus 3b is 2b, less than or equal to 4. Then divide both sides of the equation by 2. So cancel out 2, so b is equal to less than or equal to 2. And if we're going to plot it in the number line, horizontal number line, then put 0 in the middle, then mark 1 and 2 on the right side of the number line, and negative 1 and negative 2 on the left side of 0. And we all know that b is less than or equal to 2, so we use shaded circle, and then the direction will go to the left because the value of b is less than or equal to 2. That's all.